It's our last day in Osaka. We're about to go to Kyoto. And Taylor took us to the shrine. It's barely raining, but everyone has their umbrellas out. Okay, Taylor, go. Enjoy. I'll wait here.
Pretty.
Go run. Run like a free dog. There she goes. Bye-bye. I'll just wait here with the suitcase. Like even Japanese temples are high-tech. They got these sensors, so when you come in, the water starts coming out. And then you're supposed to wash your hands or something. Wash something. And then when you step out, he turns off. When you step in, it starts spinning again. So we found these machines and they have like a PS5 inside, some Dragon Ball, Nintendo Switch, like Apple Watch, AirPods, iPad.
But you need to invest 2,000.
But you need to invest 2,000, which is around 500 baht. And then there's one for 3,000 and you can win brand names like Louis Vuitton, some watches and stuff. Go, man.
Oh man, we paid 2,000 for this.
So give it
So fucking stupid.
500 baht.
500 baht. Should have went for the Gucci.
Now we're playing for Christian Dior and Chanel. Let me try this one. No way. Let's try again. Yeah. So you place the order right here. And this robot will make it for you. Place your order with Reggie. Reggie is the cashier. Do we like Reggie?
He didn't give me a lid.
He didn't give a lid, and Reggie is really slow.
Let me try it.
Let's see how he made it. Did he even mix it?
Tastes like milk at the moment.
You have to mix it.
How? He didn't give
Reggie
me
didn't mix it, and he didn't give us any utensils to mix it. We don't like the future.
We don't want it. We don't want it.
Take all the Reggies away.
You need to show what we're on.
Slowing down a bit, but
It is slowing down.
going about 120, 130 kilometers per hour.
Faster than Greg drives.
No, I drive very slow and safe. 40, 30 kilometers per hour.
Wow. Look.
I don't know if you saw, but that was a huge chocolate bar.
It was so big. Like it was really, really big.
The Meiji chocolate bar.
That was so cool. It's so cold. It looks like an airport though.
That's the Kyoto station. It's currently 1:40 p.m., 6 degrees and cloudy.
That, 4 degrees.
Pretty cold in this bitch.
It's beautiful anime. Look at the colors. Real nice. So
Trashy
cool.
hotel.
They gave us free breakfast and we get 1 drink free each, alcoholic.
Oh yeah. This is the room in Kyoto.
And in Kyoto they sleep on floors.
They sleep on floors apparently in Kyoto.
But this one is not the traditional, like 100%.
See the bathroom. Oh, it's very nice and modern. Sorry, so much. It's a little balcony, somewhat. Okay, would have known. Opens inside. Yeah, so this is our balcony. You can get some fresh air here. This is a tea lounge.
Tea lounge. Tea lounge. Guys, fuck. No matcha, no Japanese tea. That's what I'm saying. It's a tea lounge. It's closed, you know what I'm saying?
I'm confused.
Closed.
What is it supposed to be if not a tea lounge?
I don't know what tea they have. Probably bamboo tea then, I guess.
Definitely not matcha or Japanese tea.
Tea then. Board upon, I think, a shrine.
Very dark shrine. So cold. Jesus. Well, here are the pretty lanterns, I guess.
I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks.
It's the infamous 10,000 gate temple. We're here during the day. They recommended not to come during the day and come right before closing time to avoid the crowds. We didn't do that.
Nice.
Way more people than the Grand Palace.
Finally got some heat in the last 1 week and a half. We've been heat.
It's actually a pretty nice sky today.
Yeah.
And the sun.
It's
It's been gray skies and rain
we've
for
only
the last
had
couple
snow
days.
and rain and gray skies.
Now it's sunny, it's even warm. That guy over there is becoming a samurai. This one. He's gonna be a samurai today. I want to be a samurai. Wrote our Japanese prayers, and now we're gonna go donate them. We paid 200 yen, it's 50 baht per stick. Now our wishes come true. It's pretty hard to write that. Oh, ceremony. Let's go check it out. This is the famous 10,000 gate path, I guess. Too overcrowded. This feels like the subway. Disturbing the peace tailor. This tailor just rings all the bells she can see.
I'm a local now. Been here 2 weeks. I can speak Japanese.
Konnichiwa, Isa.
Greg.
Oh, it's different language, right? Sorry. Found a very cute cafe with some ice cream and some green tea, and we're gonna eat it. But a very nice view.
I'm hungry. This is supposed to be sakura.
All these dead trees are supposed to be sakura, which is a
Blooming next month.
pink blooming flower, and it's supposed to bloom next month. So we're a bit early for it. Okay, this is the 200 baht ice cream. Tea. This is some green tea, and this is a Japanese candy.
This is
What you have to do, wash your hands?
yeah. So cold.
Amazing, yeah?
Ow. Hello? Be able to do anything today. It's Haruka. Hello Kitty. Haruka.
Haruka is probably the fastest train we've been on in Japan.
But it's not really a bullet train, it's just like a semi-bullet train, you know?
It's just a fast train that goes from Kyoto to the Osaka airport.
She's so cute, and it's Hello Kitty themed everywhere.
We're gonna get to the Osaka airport at 7:54. Baggage drop closes at
8:10.
8:10, so we'll have exactly 16 minutes to get from the train to the baggage drop. Okay, where is 8? This is 7. It's completely empty, and I picked like the last one because I thought there would be too many people.
So you have place to store your luggage?
Your luggage, which is where we're gonna drop ours off.
You can put it under as well.
There's a bathroom wagon. These are the boys. Not much going on there.
Hello Kitty,
Hello.
Oh, that's for both.
Very cute.
Cuter than bigger than an airport.
It's much bigger than an airport bathroom.
Not airport.
Oh, I
like
mean,
airplane.
This one? I could have picked one with a better window. It's empty. There's only one person in the car with us. There wasn't
We have
any.
stopped at the red light temporarily. Thank you for your understanding.
我们暂时红灯停车，谢谢您的理解。
Collision with a passenger, apparently. Now we're gonna be late to our flight because someone fell onto the tracks.